Welcome back, everyone. I am doing something I actually haven't done for a while. I am making an ocean wave, but the client, this is a commission request. The client requested the wave to crest this way. And I always crest mine this way, maybe because I'm right-handed or I don't know, but this is going to be interesting to see if I can get that to crest that way. I am also using my regular ocean blues, so turquoise green, turquoise blue, sky blue light, phthalo blue, and Prussian blue, but I have taken Prussian blue and phthalo blue and mixed both of them with silver so that there will be a little bit of shimmer and shine, but without actually adding silver to the painting. So without further ado, let's paint. All right, so he wants light blue. So I'm gonna add in the light blue and actually a little bit of white to this. And so I'm gonna have it in here. That's plenty, I think. And then I'm going to, this is like so different for me spinning this around. So normally I would have the sky, so I feel like I need to come down a little bit further. I don't know why. Tell me in the comments, which way do you crest your waves? Because I just always have had the crest go to the other side. Is that weird? I mean, I know I am a little bit weird just to begin with, but okay, all right. Let me give this a torch. I've had this sit for a couple of days, so there should not be that many air bubbles in this. Bubbles, darling. And I'm gonna blow this out. Oh, the sky looks so yummy. It amazes me how just two colors can literally be so pretty. Like just these two colors together and just fluid motion, it's such a pretty combination. Anywho, all right. I'm going to start. So let me see. I should probably have gotten smaller cups, but I'm already in it here. And he had said maybe to do a double. Oh, I need to not talk to you while I do this. A double crest. But I don't know if he meant like this. I don't know. I'm going to see how this comes out by itself, and then we'll go from there. I'm just adding in a little bit of the actual colors here. Okay, I need to be silent as I do this up here. Okay, whew. All right, and then I'm gonna come in. I should have painted this bottom really quick with a color. What is that? What is that? I have been... I watch TikTok, and sometimes, most everything that's on TikTok is on YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reels now anyway, but I get some of these things in my head and I can't get the sayings out. I don't know if that happens to anybody else. Okay, now I want to add in, I'm going to have my silver kind of on the top. I definitely want to have this in there. This just feels so weird to me to be cresting it this way. Okay. All right. I want a little bit on the inside there. Okay. And then I definitely do want a little bit of the actual sky color in there too. Not too much around the tip, Molly. Maybe more down here. Ooh, okay. All right. I shouldn't have used these big jars, but I am going to do something else with the rest of these colors. So, okay, now a little bit in here. Now I'm just getting to the areas where I don't have a lot of color. And then I'm going to add in this. Just looks so interesting to me. Now I'm going to add in my metallics just for a little bit of cell reaction. Such a pretty color. And then, ooh, this color is pretty too. A super metallic blue. And I hope it actually shows up well. Okay, I've got those. I do feel like maybe I should do the white with a stick so that it doesn't overpower it. But I do want a lot of strips of white in there, and it will come to the surface and you'll be able to see it, and it will interact with the metallic once I blow it out. Okay, I think this is it. Let me get, whoa! I almost knocked over a whole bucket of paint. You see, this is why I can't be trusted in my own studio. All right, okay. All right, here we go. Okay, y'all, this did not turn out that bad. I haven't done one of these in so long. When I got the commission request, I was like, I hope that I'll actually be able to do this. This is like definitely more like a barrel. Oh, this is so pretty. I kind of want this to just glide back up that way. And then kind of just the tiniest bits of motion. Do I like it this way? Maybe I like it better this way. I don't know. I have no idea if this is what he had in mind. I think it's really pretty. It's got lots of cells and interest from the metallics that I added. I am just going to have to see if this dries well. I'm going to touch up my sides. I'm very happy with this. Oh, I hadn't done it in so long. After a while, you kind of get to a point like, do I remember how to do this one? And I crested this one. Let me know. Do you like the crest to the left or to the right? Like heading left to right or right to left? All right. I'll show you. Okay, I don't really know if it's because I haven't done it in a while, or if it's just because it's cresting the other way, but I think this one is so pretty. With the sky in the background and the way the tip, like normally I have like a really skinny tip that spirals. I love this tip like this. It's got lots of super cool designs in it. I love how the colors are like shaded a little bit through there like a wave would be. I don't know, y'all. I'm really happy with this one, actually. All right. Well, we're going to see how it dries, and I will send it off and see if the client likes it. All right, y'all. I am actually very happy with this one. It's messier than the other ones, and I do actually like the crest heading from left to right here instead of right to left like I always do. I haven't shown it to the client yet. It has been drying and curing a little bit, but here are some of the details, and you can see it's kind of hard because I have my light. There we go. That blue is the metallic blue. Such a pretty color. So many details at the end, and all of that is metallic. I really like the sky too. So overall, I am very happy with this one. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Happy painting. Bye.